Tough friend. There he is in his full furry outfit. It's the Furry D.
I'm in the mink hoodie, like Pimp C, up in here. Hello, everybody.
We are about to learn some stuff about London. Have you been to London? I've heard you've been to London because you're going to tell this story.
Okay, yeah, I have been to London.
It's Omie D learns with Les, and we're going to talk about a strange coincidence in London. So let's go to 1928, London. You're there, and your job is a
Pip cheerio.
You're a scientist.
I like this 1920s me.
You're working at St. Mary's Hospital, studying
science.
So, yeah, exactly. In the form of bacteria. You're studying germs and bacteria and learning about how people get sick and how infections spread.
Microbiology. I like it.
Yep.
I like it.
So that's what you're doing. You've been doing that for a while?
Yeah, I like that. You got the microbiology organisms there. You got your bacteria, your viruses, even your molds and stuff like that. So, it actually just gets into people and just causes them to have a lot of bad stuff happen.
Yeah, a lot of bad stuff. Trying to figure that out. Except you, my friend, go on vacation.
Sounds like me. Do I need to take off my...
And you leave all your shit out in the lab, and you come back, and all your Petri dishes have what all over them?
Bacterias and shit. It's grown. It's everywhere. And I don't know why.
Yeah, you don't know why. And any good scientist would do what with all of that?
Definitely not throw it in the trash, because that's called data. That's called stuff to use for experiments. It's the 20s, baby. We don't know nothing. There's no AI. I'm AI.
Absolutely right. So that's the right mentality, because what we're talking about here is what they did in London. Alexander Fleming came back from vacation, and there's mold all over his Petri dishes. And instead of throwing it out, like, cleaning up your lab, he went and studied it. And he saw around the bacteria, there was mold. And right around that ring of infection, he found that the bacteria could no longer grow. There was a zone of inhibition that was preventing the virus and the bacteria from spreading. And that told him what?
That means there was something there that the virus and the bacteria did not like. It didn't feed them the things that they needed to continue growing, basically.
Exactly. And that was called penicillin. And so
old penny.
So he pulled the penicillin out and obviously started working on that to be a preventative for disease and virus and bacteria. So that's how you found penicillin, was through going on vacation and leaving all your shit out in the lab, and then coming back and be like, you know what, I'm not going to throw it out and have a clean lab. Let's see what messed up my lab, because it wasn't me.
Stuff all over my lab. You know what? That's cool, because it's a blue ring. Isn't there like a light blue ring around that?
You were there. You were there in 1928.
That's what it looks like. I think that's the same kind of blue ring you see around your citrus fruit when it goes bad.
I think that's exactly right. Yeah. If you got the right oranges in the right climate, you're going to have penicillin growing on it.
Yep. So if you get sick, just eat a moldy orange. Don't do that. Do not do that.